Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Kate. I'm the physical therapist at the Manahawkin location, and today we're going to go over general arm care exercises for overhead athletes. So that would include baseball, softball, swimming, volleyball, and tennis, whether you're a high school athlete or a recreational athlete just hanging out playing on the weekend. So the first one we're going to go over is called D2 Flexion. So you're going to have a TheraBand stepping on it with your opposite foot, and then your arm's going to start here, thumb pointing towards your hip pocket. So you're going to rotate that thumb up and away from you and back down. Big key here is not to let that elbow flex, because then you're not working on the shoulder and the rotator cuff muscles as much as we'd like to be. Another big point, and I'll turn this way, is as you're coming up overhead, you don't want to go past this inline part with your body, so you don't want to come back as far that way. So this next one is called D2, again in that same pattern, but you're going to start with that overhead position, thumb pointing away from you, and you're going to rotate that thumb again towards the opposite hip, nice and slow and controlled on the way back. So these next couple exercises are going to target the rotator cuff muscles, which are a big component in throwing. So you're going to start with your arm at this 90-degree angle, elbow again at a 90-degree angle, and almost as if this arm is sitting on a table. And all you're going to do is rotate back and come forward. Again, nice and slow and controlled. You want all the motion coming from your shoulders. So you don't want to see an arch in the back coming up or kind of bending that elbow to get to that motion. So again, it should be nice and slow here. So now we're going to hit the rotator cuff muscles from a different way. So again, you're still going to start in that 90-90 angle, but you're going to be facing away from where the TheraBand's attached to. Again, as if your arm's sitting on a table, and you're just going to rotate forward. Again, you don't want to see that elbow kind of going all over the place or using your back to get that motion. So my general recommendations for these arm care exercises is to do it about 2 to 3 times a week. 2 times a week if you're in season, if you're a high school collegiate athlete, or 3 times a week if you're in the off season. Specifically for baseball pitchers, I would do these exercises the day after pitching because it'll help promote increased blood flow to those muscles that you just used while pitching, as well as to promote recovery.